Gusto mo ba na passive income ang nagbabayad ng bills mo? Yung kasama mo na yung pamilya mo tapos hindi mo na kailangan lumayo, pero bayad ang gastusin mo. Let me show you how you can achieve this through the Philippine stock market. Maraming strategy to make money sa stocks. Pero one of the most rewarding and stable ways is through what we call dividend investing. Basically, mag-i-invest ka sa mga reputable companies dito sa Pilipinas. Tapos bibigyan ka ng portion ng kita nila in the form of dividends. For example, if nag-invest ka ng 50,000 sa Metrobank last year, you would have received close to 3,500 as a reward or dividends, which is about 7%. Pero need mo tandaan na hindi lahat ng companies ay nagbibigay ng dividends at hindi lahat ng dividend-paying companies ay maganda. Here is a quick guide to know if maganda ba mag-invest sa isang dividend-paying stock. It has to satisfy these 3 questions. Is it safe? Is it growing? And what's the return? First one, is it safe? Kailangan mo tignan if kaya bang masustain ng company to pay out these amounts of dividend. Check mo rin if healthy pa ba ang amount ng utang niya. Second, is it growing? Tignan mo if consistent yung amount ng dividends na binibigay ng company over the years. Check mo kung growing or increasing yung dividends. You could do this by checking the dividend screener on the Dragonfly mobile app. Third, what's the return? Final check is to make sure na meron kang return or upside for the risk that you are taking. These are something that you learn along the way. In the meantime, you can copy our dividend harvest portfolio kung saan we invest our own money into the best dividend-paying companies. You could see what our current investments are and makikita mo rin yung mga target naming stocks with their buy below price. Follow Dragonfly for more stock-related tips.